Hi guys, so today I have this glitter faux leather that I purchased. I have cut a little piece and put it on my mat. It's recommended to use the purple mat. I'm using my green mat because I don't have a purple mat, and I actually put a little tape on the ends to try to secure it. I changed my settings to custom. This will be my first time trying it, you guys, so if it mess up, it's my first time. In my Cricut design space, I did mirror the image, and I went over here and I changed it. I put it on faux leather. I'm going to change the pressure to more, and then we're going to see how it cuts out. Let's go. Oh. Guess I should actually put it in there. Sorry guys, my tripod broke, so I'm using my hand with holding the camera with one hand and this the other. Okay, all right, here we go. Alright, so now that the earrings has cut out, only thing we're going to do is just pull it apart. It's just that easy. I'm sorry, I'm holding the camera with one hand and doing this with the other because my son broke my tripod playing with it. Why he thought it was a toy, I don't know. Alright, so here we are. And later I'll do a video on how to do the double-sided ones. But right now, this is what we have, and it has made a little hole in there. Let's see, can you see it? And if for some reason it doesn't make your hole, I do have a hole puncher. It is the 1/8 hole punch. I actually use it to make my holes for my journals. But you can get this hole puncher. You can get it online at Amazon, or you can get it from your local Michael's store. This one was, I think it was like $4.99. But I will put the link in the description for a hole puncher. I put a link in the description if you want to go on Amazon and get this faux leather. This is a confetti glitter. And also you're gonna need the hoops and the jump rings. Oh, can I get it? So you will need the hoops and jump rings. So I put that in the description as well. So y'all just look in the description to get everything that you need. So let's put it together. So I did decide to go ahead and use my hole puncher and punch a hole in my earring. Can you see it? Yeah, I did decide to go ahead and punch a hole in with my hole puncher because the one that the Cricut made, I couldn't get it open. All right, so now let's put our let's connect our jump ring and our hoop. I'm gonna do the double-sided earrings next, but this is how to do